In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect PayPal to Squarespace. Now in Squarespace, credit and debit card payments, as well as Apple Pay in many cases, are powered by Stripe, which is a separate payment processor from PayPal. The connection process for PayPal lives in the same area, but today we're focusing on connecting Stripe so your store can start accepting card payments smoothly. First, log into your Squarespace dashboard. From the main panel on the left, head into Settings. Scroll until you see Selling, then open Payments. This is the central place where you manage all payment processors for your site. Inside the Payments section, look for Payment Processors and choose Connect Stripe. If you already have a Stripe account, you'll be prompted to sign in to Stripe and authorize Squarespace. This authorization securely links your website to your Stripe account, so orders placed on your site can be charged and deposited to your bank according to Stripe's payout schedule. If you don't have a Stripe account yet, no problem. Squarespace will guide you through creating one. You'll be asked to enter standard business details, banking information for payouts, and contact information. Follow the on-screen prompts carefully. Stripe typically asks for your business name, type of business, business address, the website you're using, and your bank account details so they know where to send your funds. Enter everything accurately to avoid verification delays. Once you complete the setup or authorization, you'll be brought back to Squarespace, where Stripe will appear as your connected payment processor. Take a moment in that same payments area to review your options. This is often where you can enable Apple Pay and other card payment methods supported by Stripe, which can make checkout faster and increase conversions for mobile shoppers. A quick tip: make sure your business information in Stripe matches what's on your bank records. Consistency helps prevent payout holds during verification. If you operate in a country where Stripe isn't available, Squarespace will usually let you know right in the setup flow. With Stripe connected, your Squarespace store will process card payments through Stripe at checkout. That means your customers can pay with major credit and debit cards, and in many cases Apple Pay, without leaving your site. From here, you can monitor orders in Squarespace, while Stripe handles the secure processing and payouts behind the scenes. That's it. Your Squarespace site is ready to accept card payments via Stripe. If you also want to connect PayPal, you'll find it in this same payments section. But today, you've completed the Stripe connection your store needs to start taking card payments.